information available only on a single tap. They just give over importance to their grades. आज के स्टूडेंट लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा फर्क क्या है? Whatever their seniors are doing, they are just not into building networks. There is also digital marketing. There is cyber security classes going on also, AI ML too. Whatever opportunities you can get in campus, outside campus, just explore everything. बहुत से स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं मैम टाइम नहीं मिलता. Look, everybody has the fixed 24 hours. So everything comes with time management and priority. Just start updating your LinkedIn profile and just get your mini projects, everything updated on your GitHub account and make your one-page resume. If I was the Dr. Neha that I am today, I would definitely say, मैम शुरू करने से पहले आप थोड़ा कॉलेज लाइफ का थ्रो बैक दें. आप टॉपर थे या रात भर जग के एग्जाम की तैयारी करते थे? Well, I would say I was a bit of both. Like, I am very choosy in my life. If I know these are the subjects, I can just cram days before the exam. So I used to do that at nights, like day before exam. But there were few courses, few subjects in which I have the interest, which are related to your skills, personality. So of course, I was very consistent in that, and I used to be topper of my college, not only college but district. So both are true. ओके, अच्छी बात है. आप स्टूडेंट लाइफ और आज के स्टूडेंट मतलब कि आपके स्टूडेंट लाइफ और आज के स्टूडेंट लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा फर्क क्या है? So the major difference which I can notice is the access to information. In our times, we used to rely on textbooks, but now there is like information available only on a single tap. So all the information is available on our fingertips. So access to information, I would say definitely. लेकिन आज की जनरेशन के स्टूडेंट को एक शब्द में डिस्क्राइब किया करना हो, वो क्या होगा? So it's curiosity. Students are more curious. I have seen many students, they want to learn, explore, just try out everything. As the information is more, I said, access to information is more. So more curiosity is developing among students. So that's the thing. ऐसे कौन कौन से कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हैं स्टूडेंट करते हैं जो खासकर टीन या कॉलेज लाइफ में? So the very first mistake which I would like to figure out, they just give over importance to their grades. Like I have seen a bunch of students, they are more curious, more towards their grades. They are just not bothered about whatever is happening outside, whatever their seniors are doing. They are just not into building networks. They are just into grades. And they don't realize that whenever they will be out of this college, only the skills are something which will be playing role, not only grades. So this is one thing. Okay. ये छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स आगे चलकर उनकी ग्रोथ या कॉन्फिडेंस को कैसे अफेक्ट करती है? Definitely, this is going to play a role because if students are more into studies, more into books, they will not be able to develop their networks. Like I earlier also I mentioned, they won't be able to connect to their seniors, their alumni. They won't be able to build their profile. So that's the thing. Students many a times think that they can just do all these things. They can build their network once their graduation is over, but it's not true. This is the right time where you should focus on these things. क्या आपको लगता है सोशल मीडिया की वजह से स्टूडेंट का फोकस कम हो रहा है? So yes or no, means I have mixed thought about this. So it's up to you, I would say. So social media is a good thing if you just utilize it for a good purpose. I have seen many students, they have just become masters because of the help of these tools. Even online classes are there. So social media plays a role in that sense. But of course, I won't deny that social media is also a big distraction for many students. So it's up to you, I would say, how you just utilize social media in a good way or a bad way. That's up to you. अगर आप अपने 18 ईयर ओल्ड वर्जन को एक गोल्डन एडवाइस दे सकती तो क्या होता? So if I was the Dr. Neha that I am today, I would definitely say that I would have focused more on the soft skills. So if you are 18 years old and you are just working on books, just studying books and just looking on the grades only, so that's a big no from my side. I would definitely say that you should work on mini projects, mini ideas every semester. That's the thing I must recommend.
ओके मैम। आजकल इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, जैसे सेटअप है, इंटर्नशिप है, ऑनलाइन लर्निंग है। स्टूडेंट को इस टाइम किस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए आपके फ़ोन में?
So I cannot recommend only one thing here. So it's up to you. I would say students should explore each and everything for a portion of time for some time, and then for example, in JIT Engineering College, there is also digital marketing. There is cyber security classes going on also, AIML too. So you should explore each and everything, and then at last you should come at the point, yes, this is something I would like to pursue, I would like to continue in my future. So just go for that, become a master of that
ओके।
at last.
स्टूडेंट अपनी स्ट्रेंथ या पैशन को कैसे पहचान सकते हैं, वो भी कॉलेज में रहते हुए?
The same thing I told, just explore each and everything, whatever opportunities you can get in campus, outside campus, just explore everything and then come to the conclusion, yes, I am made for this, I'll do that.
ओके। ऐसी कौन-सी अंडररेटेड अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है जिन्हें स्टूडेंट अक्सर अवॉइड कर देते हैं?
Very first thing, soft skills, presentation skills. Skills, I just don't mean only AIML classes, digital marketing. These can be anything, like these can be sports also, communication skills, your presentation skills that matter a lot. So students, I have seen they underrate these things a lot. For example, here also, if we just plan some activities, so many students, a bunch of students is not interested in those things. So I would like to tell students that these things, these activities are planned for a reason. So you should go for that.
हुँ। जाइट के किसी स्टूडेंट की ऐसी सक्सेस स्टोरी जिससे आपको प्राउड फील होता हो?
So there is a story actually, and I would like to share and mention it here. So because I have done my master's and PhD from IIT Delhi, so whenever I just started teaching here, so I had a thought which was set up in my mind. So I started teaching with that thought only. But when I just interacted with students, I found a bunch of students, creamy students, very nice. So they just adapted everything very quickly. So I teach AIML also here. So students have adapted Python, and on the same way they have started working on mini project. That was quite unexpected for me. So I'm really happy with that, and that's the success story I would like to mention here.
ओके मैम। बहुत से स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं मैम टाइम नहीं मिलता, आप उन्हें क्या सलाह देना चाहती हैं?
Look, everybody has the fixed 24 hours. So it's up to you how you manage everything. The one thing or the one advice I would like to give here, just block a 30-minute slot or 60-minute slot for your passion and work on that. For example, for this particular hour, I'm just going to work on my passion only. That can be anything. So it's about the time management. So everybody has the fixed time.
ओके मैम। स्टूडेंट पढ़ाई, हॉबीज़ और सोशल लाइफ को बिना वारंट हुए कैसे बैलेंस कर सकते हैं? वरना
So everything comes with time management. I would repeat it again. So just prioritize. You should have the priorities set in your mind that these things I'll just plan on weekend, and these things I'll be doing in evening, and these things in the evening. So everything comes with time management and priority.
सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट किन हैबिट्स और रूटीन्स को फॉलो करते हैं?
One thing which is the foremost important is the consistency. They are highly consistent. They are not like that. For 1 month they are just working on their passion, and after 1-2 years they will just get to know and get back to their passion. Yes, this is thing I would like to continue. So they are highly consistent, and the successful students which I have seen, and from my personal experience also I can say, they start working on mini projects. Like every semester, every student has to work on 2 to 3 mini projects. Those projects can be anything, can be related to coding, can be some software development, can be some website development, anything. You just need to work on these things. And obviously, success is always on your path.
इसमें टाइम मैनेजमेंट सुधारने के लिए अगर आपको 3 सिंपल डेली रूटीन बतानी हो तो वो क्या होगी?
So plan your next day in the evening only. So in the earlier evening, you should have the thoughts that these 3 things or 2 things I need to complete tomorrow. And whenever you go to bed, just take a 10 minutes reflection. So whatever I had thought, whether I am able to complete that, whether I am able to achieve those goals or not, and work on that. So that's the thing.
आजकल हर कोई सेम डिग्री कर रहा है। ऐसे में कोई स्टूडेंट खुद को कैसे अलग साबित कर सकता है?
This is actually a very interesting question I would like to mention. So, whenever you will be also appearing for your interview, so you will find not only you, but many of even your batchmates, your seniors, or outside the campus, the same students carrying the same degree. So, here the role of skills, role of practicals, whatever you learn as a human being, that will play a role. So, that's why I always focus or always recommend students working on projects, just developing their practical skills, because that's something which is making you stand out from all the crowds. So that's the thing.
क्या आजकल के समय में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग ज़रूरी हो गई है?
It is actually because, as you have also mentioned, this is a time of social media. So I would say from the very first year, you just start building your branding. And from branding, I here mean to say, just start updating your LinkedIn profile and just get your mini projects, everything updated on your GitHub account and make your one page resume, I would say, and keep it updated with time. And these things will play a lot of role and you would be able to just take a track of your activities, what you have done and what you want to achieve in your future time. So that is there.
स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेज में रहते हुए अपना प्रोफेशनल आइडेंटिटी कैसे बनाना शुरू कर सकते हैं?
The similar thing I mentioned. So just get updated everything on your GitHub account and make your LinkedIn profile. Keep that updated and one page resume and keep it updated. This is the thing. You can make your professional identity. Get connected with your seniors, with your alumni. Make a huge network.
एंड में थोड़ा मज़ेदार और मेमोरेबल बनाने के लिए मैं आपसे कुछ पूछना चाहती हूँ। ऐसी एक चीज़ जो हर स्टूडेंट को अभी के अभी छोड़ देनी चाहिए मतलब कि
So that is, I would say, laziness.
एक क्वालिटी जो हर स्टूडेंट में होनी चाहिए।
So hardworking.
मैम यू आर नाइट पर्सन या
I'm a morning person. Absolutely.
बुक्स या पॉडकास्ट?
Now both. So, but earlier I was more into books, but I have started liking podcasts too nowadays.
ओके। जाइट कॉलेज के सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आपका कोई स्पेशल मैसेज?
So the only message I would like to give to all JIT students that start working on mini projects from today only. Just start your plans, build your goals, work on 2 to 3 mini projects, micro projects that can be anything related to AI, ML, cybersecurity, digital marketing, or wherever you would like to just stay. Start working on those mini projects. Why I am saying this? Because only then after 1 year or so, you would be able to figure out actually where you are going to stand and where you have to work ultimately. So that is one thing. And thank you so much, Abhi.
थैंक यू मैम हमें आप इतना अच्छा टाइम देने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।